Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the performance of the Magnificent Seven. These are the tech stock, which includes Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta, Nvidia, and Tesla. So over the last 5 years, we are going to calculate their returns and visualize the data using Python in the plot. So let's get started. So the Magnificent Seven refer to the seven dominated tech companies. And these are the list of all the companies here. So collectively, these companies have driven substantial growth in the S&P 500 index, accounting for a significant portion of their market capitalization. So first, let's see set up the Python environment. We'll need the following libraries. So if you don't have already, you can do a pip install yfinance, plotly, and pandas. I already installed, so I'm not going to run this. Next, now let's import these necessary libraries, and we are going to fetch the stock data for the past 5 years. So get data. We are going to import yfinance, SYF, import pandas for data analysis. Now we need to get the tickers, which I already have. So this is the list of tickers. And to download the data, what we need to do, we need to call download function and provide tickers. And start would be something around 2020. So let's go with exactly 5 years from now. 2025. This is today's date. And we only need close from that data. And let's store this in data. Okay, so this is complete. Let's see our data. So we got data for all the tickers from Apple, Amazon, Google, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla. All right, now let's calculate cumulative returns. So we are not going to show the price that you can see from any chart. We are going to calculate the returns for the past 5 years. So to do that, what we need to do, we just have to use simple PCT, percentage change function, and let's store this into daily returns. So this will only give you the change in the daily price change, but we are interested in the cumulative returns. So what we need to do, the formula is 1 plus daily returns prod minus 1. This you can Google and check if you want to read about it. Cumulative returns. So this code computes the daily percentage change and then calculate the cumulative returns over the period. So next part, let's visualize it. Visualizing the data. So to To visualize the cumulative return, we are going to use Plotly, which is very famous Python library. You can use the matplotlib as well. So let's import the Plotly. Import graph objects as go. And let's create the figure first, which is nothing but we are going to call figure class and store this in fig. Now let's add the traces for each stock. So for ticker in tickers, store tickers, we are going to use the fig, add trace, and let's call the scatter class. So X is going to be the index, that is the timestamp, cumulative returns dot index, and Y axis is going to be cumulative returns, the value of ticker. And let's put mod equals to lines. And also we can put a name as a legend, it will be the tickers clauses. So we don't see the chart yet because we have to call fig.show to do that. And before we show, I can show you fig.show. This will show you the chart. Let's modify this. For this, let's update the layout. So for that, we are going to use update layout function. So let's first give some title, meaningful title, returns of Mag 7 from 2020 to 2025. Right. Now let's also give x-axis. X-axis will be the years and y-axis title will be the returns. And template, let's change the template to dark. Right. Let's run this again. Yeah, this looks better. So as you can see, the clear winner of, if you just consider 5 years, is the Nvidia. It is having the returns of almost 14x, followed by with a huge gap between is Tesla, and then we have the other five. If you want to see the period, good thing about Plotly, you can just select the area and starting from May, so 1 year again, we have Nvidia doing way better, and followed by Tesla and the others. Others are fairly similar. First, Meta is the highest among the other five. And click here to reset the axis. So this is how we have interactive line chart, right? Displaying all the cumulative returns for each stock over the past 5 years. So that's it for today's video. We have analyzed the magnificent seven stocks, and if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. I will see you in the next one.